Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to talk to you about Della Robbia design, adding fruits to your floral arrangements. To anchor the fruit into the foam, you want to use wood picks. Now for the apples and pears, I use 6-inch, cut the wire off, and insert it directly into the flesh of the apple. I do 2 for stability, and then using your Oasis Floral adhesive. A little bit of glue at that point of puncture, and that will lock the pick right into place. Now, if you can find fruit at a farmer's market, it's fabulous because it doesn't have a label. If you buy it at the grocery, it does have a label. Pears especially, I go ahead and leave it on because if you take it off, it's going to leave a wound. That's not so great. To solve that, again, put the pick in that area, go back and glue and make sure you go over the entire area that had the wound. That will seal that and hold it in place. Now for the grapes, you do it a little bit differently. Take a 4-inch pick and with the wire, actually wrap that around. And then you can just pierce that directly in. The container, a terracotta pot, lined with a bowl, 1/3 of a brick of foam, pre-soaked with flower food, and then starting with autumn-hued foliage. This is why Gilia adds rich lushness instantly. Just giving it a cut and inserting it in a radial format. Some at the base, some at the top, all radiating outward to create a lush base for the flowers. Next is the fruit. You can place it in so that it sets right into the foam, nice and secure. Angling them. And you can see with 2 picks, it gives it a nice sturdy appearance. Turning it so you can see. And coming back with the grapes. I use 2 picks for a little extra security, and then just anchoring it, letting it break the line of the container. With the base of fruits and foliage, now you just pick your favorite flowers. It can be as simple as a burgundy carnation and start filling in. Maybe the staple of the season with the chrysanthemums, this beautiful bronze hue. Or something a little more exotic, like the orange pincushion protea. Of course, berries are always wonderful. The golden ilex adds a bit of height and glamour. Just feeding it in between. Rose hips, again, the essence of the season. Commercially grown, they don't have the thorns that you would expect, so it's so much easier on the hands, but they still have that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful orange hip. And possibly even echinacea pods, glowing, long-lasting, grand texture, and just filling in with all your favorites. As you finish, take a moment and stand back. Look at it from all angles. Make sure that the foam is covered, that it's luxurious all the way around. You might find a hole. If you do, go back and add something in, and then spin it again just to double check that it's perfect. To help the fruit last even longer, spray it down with Crowning Glory. Go all over the flowers, all over the fruit, and it seals in the moisture and helps them to last. Now for more creative inspiration, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now I'd love to see what you create with fruits of the season in the Della Robbia style. Create away, take a photograph, and post it on social media. Be sure to tag Floral Design Institute. That way I'll see, and the entire tulip tribe as well. Because now it's your turn. Have fun and do something you love.